Hi, my name is Zach. I am a rising sophomore at Hunter College High School. And for my final project, my intensive project, I built an RC tank. So, after my third milestone, I made a series of modifications to add on the tank and add different parts. So, as you can see, I added a cardboard cover to all the outsides, covering the inside wiring, most of it. Then I added an ultrasonic sensor in front of the tank to detect objects in front. And I added a shovel kind of catapult machine in the back. So as you can see, the shovel can lift up things and put them back down. You can again drive it forward and backwards. And then what the sensor does is when it detects an object in front of it, it will turn itself to the right. Sorry. So, the way I did this was I wired the ultrasonic sensor into the Arduino and coded it so that anytime the sensor detects an object less than 25 centimeters away from the tank, it'll automatically turn right until there's nothing in front of it. So every time it reaches an obstacle, it'll turn, and then once it's clear, it'll keep going. So I ran into an issue with this because I had trouble getting the sensor to read, because what would happen was the sensor would be on and it'd be functioning, except it wouldn't continue to read distances ahead of it, so then when it would reach an obstacle, it wouldn't see it and it would crash right into it. So I had to add a series of delays into my code to continually send signals from the controller to the Arduino, telling it to continue reading. So that fixed the issue and helped establish the sensor. So then after that, I added the shovel into the back. So I used two servo motors to act as the motors for the shovel. As you can see, they turn up and down, simply duct tape down. So the way I did this was, it was pretty simple. I coded into the Arduino that whenever I pressed a button on here, the servo would go from position 0 to 90 degrees up. So it'll just go automatically. So I ran into an issue because I experimented with a new battery source. Instead of powering all of the different aspects of my tank through the Arduino, I tried to power them straight from the battery. I ran into an issue because when I tried to do that, nothing would work. The servos would work very slowly, but then the rest of the tank won't work. And it had taken me maybe 3 hours to switch batteries. So I had to switch back to the original battery, which is plugged in to the Arduino. So then power flows through the Arduino and then is spread to the different parts. So, but now everything works, and this is my final project. Thank you.